Hey, thanks for sharing your plan. I don't see anything wrong with the roofs. In terms of joining them, you just click on one roof plane, go to the join roofs tool, and then click on the plane you want to join to. Sometimes it's a little fishy to do it. Let me start with the other one. Wow. My computer's having a little trouble. Sometimes refreshing the screen, that's F5 on the keyboard helps. Yeah. See, now that's joined. But when they won't join or they're not joined, especially doing manual roofs, you have to use the join roofs tool a lot. In terms of flying up in the air, roof planes by default will follow the room specification dialog to ceiling height to establish their height. So you open the dialog here. These are going to be at a 9-foot plate. Roof ceiling is going to determine the plate height. So in terms of them flying up, you can move them precisely with the transform replicate tool. Select an object, open this dialog, and you can move it up and down, left to right. That's minus X or plus X, plus Y or minus Y. That's in plan view, that's up screen or down screen. And then X is left to right on screen in plan view. And the Z is for straight up or straight down. Okay? Practice with that. I'll demonstrate. Transform replicate, move, Z axis, 100 inches. Positive. I can move it down with a minus sign. Like that. Minus 100. That's right, back where it was. Okay. Well, this ought to be enough to help you a little bit. In terms of a new user, you need to be what you need to be learning is where the commands are. And for a particular project, you need to start with edit default settings. Oh, this is the edit default settings. And then all the categories that are germane to a project, got to set those up. The roof type, the wall types, exterior, and interior, and various categories of interior walls and doors and windows and cabinets. There's extensive settings here, and you learn these, and you can set up. When I open a plan, I don't just start drawing. I set the defaults first, and then I draw. It's much more efficient. Now, in terms of how the program operates all the time, you go to Edit Preferences. And take a look at these and experiment with them, trial and error, see what they do and don't do. And these control how the program operates all the time on all plan files and layout files. The edit default settings is for a specific plan file or project file. Okay, so hope that helps you, whether it does or not. Make it a great day. Thank you.